August 4th, 2024, an Orlando PD officer stopped a vehicle flagged in a shooting investigation in Palm Beach County. Inside, a mother named Kiara and 2 infants.
Let me see your hands. Put your hands up. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. Turn around. Turn around and put your hands up. Turn around and put your hands up. Walk back to the sound of my voice. Walk back to the sound of my voice. Keep coming. Keep coming. Alright, donkey probably 3 times. Come over here. Come over here. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
I have my kids in the car.
Stop.
Get the f*** out of me.
Stop.
Get the f*** out of me. I got my kids in the car. I got my kids in the car, man. I got my kids in the car. I got my kids in the car. I got my kids in the car, man.
You want to put her in the car so I can assist him?
Get my kids. 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 Get my kids.
Get the door.
Get my kids, bro. Get my kids. Kiara, hold on.
Stop.
Kiara, calm down. Kiara, hold on.
Hey, you. You too, nigga. Turn around. What up, nigga? Stop.
Calm down.
Yeah, 1
Calm
second.
down. Are the babies in here?
Yes.
Oh my God. She just pulled up. They came behind. What happened?
They started following us. Come on. My car. Yeah, children. Hey. Come on, relax. We'll figure it out.
Mom, I'm at a, Mom, call Kiara's mom. Call Kiara's mom. I'm at Kiara's aunt's house in Palm Springs. Damn, it's gonna get fucked up.
I'll put it in the car, don't worry about it.
Can you grab my phone? Can you grab my phone?
I'm gonna grab it for you.
Can you please grab my... Oh my God.
Hey, turn around.
Yo!
Hey, relax.
Grab my phone! Grab my phone!
Hey, put the phone in the car.
Oh my God, bro. My shit for the break, bro. This shit lame as fuck, bro. Are y'all serious, bro? You started choking her, bro?
I didn't choke her. I grabbed her because she started fighting me. All she had to do was comply, and it wouldn't have gone that way. So, sit tight.
The stop was legally grounded. Terry versus Ohio, 1968. A vehicle connected to an active shooting satisfies reasonable, articulable suspicion. The stop itself was constitutional. The choking allegation is the most consequential legal issue. Graham versus Connor, 1989 force, is judged from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision, not in hindsight. A shooting-linked vehicle justifies elevated initial force. It does not authorize unrestricted technique throughout the encounter. Neck restraints are restricted or banned outside deadly force scenarios in most jurisdictions. Whether Orlando PD policy permits this technique in a non-lethal detention cannot be resolved from footage alone. The more documented failure is procedural. The officer waited 9 minutes before explaining the basis of the stop. Berkemer versus McCarty, 1984, does not require Miranda at a roadside detention, but due process requires communication once the scene is controlled.
Can I get the babies out?
Do me a favor, just step back for a minute, okay?
Let's go stand under.
Actually, you got a porch we can stand under, man?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Can you grab my phone? Yes, I'll get it. Yes. Oh my God. What happened?
I don't know, ma'am. They'll talk with you shortly, okay?
Okay. I'm literally vacuuming and I see this car pulled up and I just literally make them tell my husband and my son, "Cool, somebody just got pulled over running from the house."
Do you know
And then
them?
I see, yeah, she's my niece.
Oh, okay.
I'm just calling her mom.
And where's your niece now? Is she secured in her car?
She's in the car.
Sir, I don't know.
Okay, all right. So the children, you're familiar with these children?
Yes.
Do you mind holding on to them?
Absolutely. I want them. Absolutely.
All right, give us a second.
I have no idea. Nobody's
okay?
Yeah, we're okay.
Get an umbrella, babe, because she got the babies in the car. Can I get them out? Can I get the babies out?
1 second, ma'am.
Hold on, babe.
Is the vehicle running?
I don't even know.
It's running, sir.
Yeah, she's my niece. I didn't even know what was going on. I just seen somebody pulled up.
Just don't touch anything in the vehicle. Just grab the baby, okay?
All right.
Thank you.
Come around this side.
Come
I
around
won't.
this side.
I won't.
Thank you.
There's a little baby here, too.
Oh my God. Babe, I need the
Like an
umbrella.
Let me grab my raincoat. Get an umbrella? Even that one. That won't work.
I got it, sir.
Got it? I got one in the back. No, that one's broken.
It's broken?
Yeah, dude.
Well,
Fucking broken.
you want to use it anyway?
I'm sorry, bro. Appreciate it, bro. Thank you.
Bro, get me the f out of here. Bro, get the get my f***ing kids! Get my babies. They drink seven ounces of milk.
What?
They drink 7 ounces of milk.
Okay, what happened?
I don't know. I don't f***ing know.
Okay. Alright, your mom's on her way here.
All right, take care of my babies.
Alright.
Goodbye.
Who's the District 1 watch commander?
Are you taking me out? Give me.
Let me check your coach real quick. All right. Yeah, come on out.
You guys are ridiculous. I don't talk to nobody. Look at my kids. Y'all are crazy, bro. Y'all are crazy, bro. Take this shit off me. Y'all are crazy, bro.
Put your feet aside.
Why are you not taking me out?
Check your cuffs for you.
What's your name, ma'am?
Kiara, I don't need you to check my cuffs. Take me out.
How do you spell your first name?
Kiara. I can't show because you got my kids, bro.
Your aunt has your kids, okay? Calm down, okay? And then we're gonna explain to you what's going on. Give him your information.
All right, are you going to take me out?
No, you're not coming out right this second. Okay?
All right, Kiara, Kiara.
And we'll get your knee fixed.
I don't need that. I don't care. I don't care. I need my kids.
What's up? Hey.
96 Fox B, it says the 41 at Publix.
Hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
Fine.
Fine. What happened to your knee?
Nothing. I don't care. I don't want y'all to touch me. Give me my kids. Get me out of here.
Do you want EMS?
No.
Okay.
Brother, can you just...
Do you want them to
No.
check you out?
No.
Perfect attitude. Okay.
He's gonna take a picture of you now.
Whoa.
All right. Are you like? What are we doing? Because y'all don't talk.
Well, you're being placed
And you tackle me for no reason. You ain't even saying nothing. That should be illegal. Are you gonna tell me what happened? What am I here for? Ridiculous. This is your fault because you don't talk. That's why y'all are f***ed up. Y'all don't say nothing to nobody, and then you tackle me for no reason. You're the reason why I need medical help. Why the f*** would you do that to me? I'm not knowing what's going on, and y'all f*** me up. Now I gotta go to jail. What? I don't know nothing that's going on, and you tackle me, and that's the reason why I need medical. Right, because you don't talk. I can't listen if you're not saying nothing. I'm asking you what's happening. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. No, you need to speak then. But you're not saying nothing. I'm asking you what's happening. What's happening? What's going on? Put your hands on the shit and then you tackle me, bitch. Be so for real. I don't know nothing that's happening. I'm innocent. I don't know nothing that's happening. I'm a f***ing victim and y'all treat me like shit. I need my kids, bro. I need my chits, my children. Are y'all crazy?
No, I'm sorry I had to go down that way.
Yeah, are you?
But
Fuck up. You're sorry you had to go down that way. You should change your approach to people. Hi, you're gonna be. Can you get out the car, please? We need to tell you what's going on. No, get out the f***ing car. Like what?
okay, do you realize that this vehicle that you were driving is involved in a shooting?
No, I didn't. That's what I'm telling you. I don't know nothing.
So I had no time to explain to you what I'm doing.
You got no time.
Now I do, and now I'm explaining it to you. But at the time, you can't just sit there and not listen to me.
That's crazy.
The vehicle is involved in a shooting. So I think the occupants of the vehicle are armed. So I'm going to take the necessary things that I have to do to make sure I'm safe. You understand that? I'm not trying to be a douche. I'm not trying to be a dick. But that's how it went down. You weren't listening, so now you get to go to jail. I mean, I'm sorry. All you have to do is say, okay.
Kiara now faces 2 third-degree felonies battery on a law enforcement officer, Florida Statute 784.07, and resisting with violence, Florida Statute 843.01. If the force she responded to is later deemed excessive, that becomes relevant to affirmative defense arguments. Officer receives a C. The stop was valid. The 9-minute communication failure and the unaddressed choking allegation are serious accountability gaps that this footage does not resolve. Kiara receives a B-. Demanding an explanation was procedurally correct. Physical resistance during a high-risk stop, regardless of perceived injustice, creates legal exposure that is difficult to overcome in court. The lesson? A lawful stop does not guarantee lawful execution. Communicating the basis of a detention is a constitutional obligation, not a courtesy. For subjects, silence and compliance preserve legal options. Resistance transfers risk, even when provoked. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.
Well, I'm asking you politely, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? You're not telling me what's going on. Now I have to be without my kids because you're a face. You're a dummy. You don't know how to, like, speak to people. You don't know how to speak to people. That's not cool.
All you have to do is listen.
How old are you?
Doesn't matter.
You're not old enough, obviously. You need to grow up. You don't know how to speak to people. What is that? Just because you're a troll don't mean you can treat people how to, any way you want.
You don't know how to listen.
I'm on seatbelt. Work with me. Let me know if it gets too hot because I turned it up, okay?
That's fine.
You feel the hot air?
No.
Should be blown right on you.
No.
No?
Maybe my hair is... I don't feel it. Oh, there it is. Yes.
Okay. Are you good now?
Yes. Does jail look like the movies?
Uh-huh.
Does jail look like the movies? Like,
It depends.
is there multiple floors?
Huh?
Is there multiple floors?
Yes.
I'll be like going into a room with somebody.
I really couldn't tell you because once we give you to the jail deputies, we don't go any further.
Oh, it feels so good.
What happened?
Feels good.
Easy.